And that was only second map. They refused to play third map. We asked them for a lag test on second map, and then they said no, and randomly 0 just gets off. And it was more than a minute ago, easily. He got kicked off of everything. Called him, he said that he couldn't get on the internet at all. And then we were all lagging, literally everyone was lagging. So unless they invite me to third map soon, they forfeit third map. They already forfeit second map. Look at this garbage. You can see everyone is lagging, literally everyone. Let me rewind that. You can see we're all in here. Slapster, Lex, whatever, Exerts, Mamba. Yeah. Well, there's one guy from their team. I wish I could spectate. One sec. Let me put this shit. There, right there. Watch excerpts. Come on, move. He dies because of the lag. Oh, wait until next round. Look, it doesn't even. It can't even recognize his name. That's my name. So I lied to you. It's my name. Let me find X-ray. This kid's lagging all around the place here. Another example is right in here. Slow it down. I think this is an example of also going really fast. No, maybe not. Oh yeah, you can see him kind of buck. Oh, right there, and you saw him right there too, though. Right here. No, I guess not. You know, I saw it. There, you really see he's jumping around. Now he's dead. Put this down again. Don't want to break that. I don't know what the fuck that was. Oh shit, we're playing. Oh, definitely right here. Oh, watch this. Back up a bit so you see everything. Oh, I should probably slow that down. Alright, you can play. Did you see him just back it up a little? And you can see that the seconds are going by on the bottom, right here. So I'm not like skipping around. I died. And he just leaves. He gets kicked. You should say, time's out. And he's still in here lagging around. Yeah. And then Slap was lagging too. Oh, it's hit it right there. Here. Find Slap. Hold up. Whatever. We were all lagging that ends bootleg. And I'll show you next round that it's all done. Let me go to the offensive offense. Next. See what time it is. We got 10:10. Shit, I gotta hurry up. Come on. Here you can see, that's really bad because of the background. Face Me, Constitution, Laos, whatever, and Warrior. And that's how they forfeit second and third map. And you can see it's been 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes, and we're all offline. Speaky's not. Last message from Mama saying host. So yeah, that's how they forfeit.